Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your saved videos on YouTube. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, we are going to save a video so you can clearly see how this works. Tap on the search icon at the top right. Search for any video and open one from the results. Below the video, scroll through the options and tap on Save. Once you do this, the video is added to one of your playlists. Now, to find that saved video, close the video and go to the bottom right corner of YouTube. Tap on your profile icon to open your account page. From here, go to Playlists and tap on View All. You will see different playlists, but in most cases, the video will be saved in Watch Later. Tap on that playlist and you will find all the videos you have saved. You can tap on any video and start watching it right away. If you save the video to a different playlist, simply scroll through your playlists and open the one you selected. You can also change the sorting option at the top, for example, from recently added to recent activity, to help you find your saved videos more easily. And that's it. Now you know how to find your saved videos on YouTube.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.